go.
Nice and organized. Look at this plumber's toolkit. Know where everything is.
Yeah.
Just want to show you the inner workings of a plumber.
Bonded and certified?
Yep. Bonded up to $1. The warranty expires as soon as my feet hit my throttle of the car.
Another day, another dollar?
In this case, another day and no dollar. I'm doing this at gratis, using the legal term. I don't know what that's right. That turns everybody say, what the hell is up there? Is he high?
But his shoes, look.
Yeah.
Work pants on.
Yeah. These North Pads are 20 years old. Okay, tell Stacy that her job is complete. I can throw away the bread ties. She can put it back on. She can put it back on the loaf again.
Didn't she pinch a loaf already?
Yeah.
Take a picture of your shoes. Hold on.